Well, last week was officially the first day of summer, and yeah, it reached 100 degrees, but I spoke too soon. So that morning, a crazy windstorm came up, and you'll hear this wind chime that I built my mother. And it doesn't take much for it to make a beautiful sound, and the Concord grapes, they're coming in, that deep, beautiful purple. And later on that evening, this thunderstorm came in, so next time I try to predict Mother Nature or the weather, I am gonna just knock on wood first. So enjoy the windstorm and the thunderstorm that evening, and I felt like I was in the Wizard of Oz. So instead of Uncle M, I was Auntie M, Auntie M. It's like, wow, we're not in Kansas anymore. But that's what happens when the pressure changes. 30% chance of rain or thunderstorms probably. Even the bells letting me know it's windy. That's what I like about my weather thing. Even the doves are having a hard time to do that. Gosh, yesterday was the first day of summer, and now the wind is gusting. Anyways, I don't want to bore you with the weather video, but yesterday it's 100 degrees, first day of summer, cooling down, and looks like the Wizard of Oz scene before the house goes up. Please don't let my house goes up. Good witch. And if it does go up, let it fall on the other one. You know, I'm sure people are looking at this going, honey, where I live, that's just called a breeze. Anyways, Uncle M here. Yeah, we had that wind this morning, and now we got a thunderstorm coming, so this weather's just been crazy. I don't know what to make of it, besides I don't want to end up like one of those guys in those weather commercials that boom, and zap. I'm gonna go one day, but I want to go Kentucky Fried Chicken style. So enjoy the thunderstorm and lightning, and thanks for watching Uncle M. Like Uncle M always says, Uncle M loves you, God loves us all, and love this beautiful country, and love everything that nature has to offer. Look at that. Free light show. Thank you. Anyways, this morning you've seen the windstorm we had. Now here it is in the evening, day after official summer day, and yesterday was 100. We got a thunderstorm rolling in, and anyways, it's been kind of, weather's been kind of predictable to say the least. So enjoy God's, that's God's word. And enjoy God's beauty, whether it's a rainbow, or lightning and thunder and hail and cats and dogs.
okay?
Uncle M, stop, drop, and roll.